Hello friends, good evening all. Welcome to my grammar channel. This is Hema. I am back again. So in the last video I have started a verb. Verb is a indicate a action and a state of being. So many actions, things are going in our life, that is walking, sleeping, eating. So those were considered as a verb, and state of being is a condition, refers to particular person, place at particular moment. So till here we have completed. Today I am going to start about transitive and intransitive verb. See, transitive verb. Transitive verb expresses an action, passes over from subject to object, whereas intransitive verb expresses an action which does not passes over subject to object. So let's take example of transitive verb. Neha sings a song. So here you can see Neha is subject, sing is a verb, a song is a object. So here Neha subject is doing the action on the object. So let's take next one. She plays with a ball. Again same here. She verb with a object. Again here she. A subject is doing action on the ball. So action is passing from the subject to the object. Let's take one more example. They kicked a ball. So very simple. Subject, again verb, again object. Can you see in all the three examples, the subject is passing the action or doing the action on the object. So do you remember in the first video I told the sentence structure, that is subject, verb, object. So same structure form I have made the sentences, so you will not get confused how to make the sentences. I hope you got clear about the transitive verb. So let's come for the intransitive verb. Intransitive verb expresses an action which does not pass action over the subject to the object. Let's take example. Here the girl sings. The girl sings here, again here subject, here verb. In this sentence there is no subject, only subject, there is no object. Here is subject and the verb. Here the subject is doing action by itself. The action is not passing to object. There is no object in the sentences. Let's take one more example. The old man felt weak. Same here. There is no object. Subject, verb, subject and verb. Can you see here? Again there is no action in this sentences. So sentence is only subject and verb. There is no object. One more example. The baby is sleeping. See here, again subject, this is helping verb and this is a main verb. In this sentence also there is no object. So all three sentences you can see there is only subject and verb, there is no object, and subject is not passing any action. The subject is doing action on himself only. So now you got a clear idea, and I hope you will get this video very helpful to understand the transitive and intransitive verb. So if you like my video, if you feel this video is very helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe my channel, share. Thank you.